How to fix Dead Island 2 crashing to desktop. Hey friends, in today's video, I'm gonna help you fix that super annoying issue where Dead Island 2 keeps crashing to desktop without showing any error code. So stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. Alright, let's dive right in. First, click on the Start menu and type in Advanced System Settings. Once that opens, click on Advanced. Under the Performance tab, hit Settings. And then go to the Advanced tab again in the next window. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Now uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Select the drive where the game is installed. Usually it's your C, D, or E drive. Then choose Custom Size. Here's what you need to type in. For initial size, put in your RAM in MB. If you have 16 GB RAM, multiply that by 1024, so it's 16384. For maximum size, multiply that by 4. That gives us 65536. Once you enter those numbers, click Set. Hit OK and restart your PC before launching the game again. If that didn't work for you, here's another fix. Go back to your Start menu and type Power Options. Click on it. On the left side, choose Create a Power Plan. Select Power Saver. Hit Next and create the plan. Once done, set it as your default power plan. This helps reduce heat and power issues that sometimes cause crashes. That's it. Try these steps and hopefully your game will stop crashing. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.